Hey, what's up you guys? I'm your favorite YouTuber Shazil and I'm gonna show you a new P9 Lite custom ROM with the amazing features. So let's start it. This custom ROM is Lite development by Hassan Mirza. About device, Huawei P9 Lite world number is a Lite ROM V7.7 and it has an amazing feature of app twin and student mode, and it also support Lite OTG. Yes, this device is support OTG. You can use USB drive on your Huawei P9 Lite now. So guys, this is very amazing ROM. Thanks for watching this short video. Please subscribe my channel and share this video as you do to grow my audience.